Bitcoin is closing in on its previous record high of nearly $74,000 hit in March this year. For the past week, the top token is up 2.6%. In October, Bitcoin rose 13% and is up more than 101% over the past year. Now, the digital asset reached a high of $73,564 this week. The boost to cryptos comes as Trump called for digital assets for contributions during his campaign. Trump has also vowed to make the U.S. a crypto hub. As a result, some people see Bitcoin as a Trump trade, while polls reveal a close competition versus Democratic contender Kamala Harris. Trump leads in prediction markets as well. Bitcoin has recently weathered scaled-back bets on Federal Reserve interest rate cuts, which was the first trigger in the rally in cryptos after ETFs earlier this year. Traders have also overlooked a report of greater U.S. scrutiny over Tether. The stablecoin acts as a linchpin in crypto trading despite a sell-off on Friday. The crypto is trading close to $70,000 with an eye on the March record. And for more on this, we're now being joined by Sharad Chandra, founder Empower Edge Ventures, live from Bengaluru. Welcome to WION, Mr. Sharad. Now, Bitcoin is closing in on its record high reached in March, with expectations calling the surge driven by Trump trade. What is your assessment and take on this?
So if you look at the discourse around digital assets as far as US elections is concerned, it has become more like a bipartisan issue where both candidates from Republican and Democrats, they're supporting the case for favorable regulation, and especially on the Trump side, because Trump wants to create US as the crypto capital of the world, regardless of which side wins, whether Democrat wins or a Republican wins, digital assets will get a boost. And this is what is driving Bitcoin prices. In fact, the non-farm payroll data, which came just yesterday, it was disappointing. And that also led to rise in Bitcoin's prices.
Mr. Chandra, can Bitcoin surge further and hit a fresh all-time high?
Very likely, because as I keep on saying, regardless of the outcome of the election, since both the sides are in favor of crypto-friendly regulations, and there's more institutional participation. In fact, yesterday UBS it launched its tokenized money market fund on Ethereum, the public blockchain. So there's a wider participation from both incumbents as well as new fintechs in this particular space. So I'm pretty hopeful that this election will also give a boost to the existing momentum of crypto and crypto adoption.
My last question to you, Mr. Chandra. What is your outlook for cryptos post the US election, which is just later to take place in the next 4 days?
So I remain bullish, with the only caveat that if the bond yield prices go high, right, then the Fed might have to start using its tools, and that might result in some of the tightening when it comes to Bitcoin prices. So if the interest rates are not reduced further, then it might lead to.
Right. Thank you, Mr. Chandra, for joining us on World Business Watch with your insights on this.
Thank you.